Today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to change out your decor. So I did this for Christmas. I'm going to show you. Oh, what fun. And now I'm ready to change it out with my new March subscription transfer, French Market. Okay, so I'm going to show you how quick and easy we're going to do this. I'm going to grab, it's like a little scrubber. It feels like a magic eraser. So I just put in some water. Just dry it with a towel. And there you have it. Fresh board. So now I'm going to grab my transfer. And it's the first time I'm using it, so I'm definitely going to lint it so it doesn't stick too hard and then I can't pull it off. So okay. Turn it this way so that you can see it. Let's see. It doesn't look straight. Position it until you have it the way you want it. Try and get this as straight as possible. Okay. And then you smooth it out so you don't have any air bubbles. Okay. Once you have it all nice and smooth, we're gonna get to chalking. And I pulled out my gray Chalkology paste. I'm thinking I'd like some white in here. So let's grab some white. And maybe I'll do French Market in white and the border in gray. Or the other way around. Let's see. I'll do the border in white. Let's see how that looks. So you just pull down the chalk. Get it all in there. And the Chalkology paste, it dries pretty fast. So what you'll want to do is, after you chalk the top half, you want to lift it so that it'll be easy to remove later. So we just lift. Like that. And then I'll set it back. And then I'm going to do the gray for the wording. Sorry for my head in the frame there. And then you scrape it really good, get all the excess, put it back in your jar, and then I'm going to lift again. Okay. And then if you have a small piece, you can just ink it all, chalk it all, and then just peel it up. But when it's a large transfer and you're using multiple colors, it's best to lift it just so that it doesn't smear on you after and make it hard to remove. Okay, and then I'll finish off the white border. Alrighty, now we're done. I'll pull all of it back. Let's see what we got. Make sure to always pull from the top to bottom or side to side, never diagonal. Okay. And then I have a pan with water here that I'm just going to set that in there to clean off. Okay, and I see I missed a spot here, so I'm just going to fix it real quick. And the tip. I'll get my tool. Okay, and there you have it. See how quick and easy that was? Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, I'd love to hear them. Thanks again. Happy chalking.